Sugar has been a big part of what people eat for a long time. Arabs brought sugar to the Western world in the 700s and 800s, and since then, it became very popular. But back then, it was a fancy thing that not everyone could afford, because making it was hard. But when the Industrial Revolution happened, things changed. Making sugar became easier and cheaper. Now, the sugar industry is worth about $67 billion. In the United States, most sugar comes from two plants, sugar beets and sugar cane. These plants need different weather to grow well. Sugar cane likes warm places, while sugar beets do better in cooler areas. To grow sugar, farmers need good land with good drainage, water, and soil. They plant sugarcane using cuttings from its stems, called sets, and sugar beets from seeds. The journey of sugar begins in the fields, where sugarcane and sugar beet crops are carefully cultivated. Farmers select prime lands with optimal soil fertility, drainage, and access to water sources. Sugarcane, propagated through stem cuttings known as sets, undergoes a meticulous planting process, whereas sugar beets are sown from seeds. Over the course of several months, the crops undergo meticulous care, including irrigation, fertilization, and pest control measures. As the sugarcane matures over 12 to 16 months and the sugar beets reach their peak, the harvesting season commences. In the United States, specialized machinery is employed to efficiently harvest the mature crops, ensuring minimal loss and maximum yield. Upon harvest, the sugarcane undergoes a series of processing stages at the mill to extract its precious juice. Initially, the harvested cane is subjected to rigorous cleaning procedures to remove debris, rocks, and leaves. This cleaned cane is then crushed to extract the juice, which flows into collection channels. The extracted juice undergoes further purification and clarification processes to remove impurities and achieve optimal quality. Modern mills utilize advanced technologies such as centrifugation and filtration to refine the juice, ensuring the removal of undesirable components. The purified sugarcane juice, rich in sucrose, undergoes concentration through evaporation. This process involves heating the juice in a series of evaporators to remove excess water and increase the sugar concentration. The concentrated juice, known as syrup, is then transferred to crystallization vessels. Within these vessels, the syrup undergoes controlled cooling and seeding to initiate the crystallization process. Seed crystals, introduced into the syrup, serve as nuclei for the formation of sugar crystals. Over time, these crystals grow in size, gradually transforming the syrup into a thick mass known as massicwheat. The massicwheat undergoes separation to isolate the sugar crystals from the residual syrup or molasses. This separation process is typically achieved through centrifugation, where the crystals are spun at high speeds to separate them from the syrup. The resulting sugar crystals are then washed and dried to remove any remaining moisture. The dried sugar crystals undergo further refinement to achieve the desired purity and granulation. This may involve additional milling, sieving, and purification steps to eliminate any remaining impurities and achieve uniform particle size. Once refined, the sugar is ready for packaging. It is carefully weighed, measured, and packed into various containers, including bags, boxes, and bulk containers, depending on market demands. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the packaging process to ensure compliance with regulatory standards and consumer expectations. Packaged sugar is stored in controlled environments to maintain its quality and freshness. Temperature and humidity levels are closely monitored to prevent moisture absorption or crystallization. Bulk quantities of sugar may be stored in warehouses equipped with climate control systems to preserve their integrity. From storage facilities, the packaged sugar is distributed to retailers, wholesalers, and consumers through a vast network of supply chains. Efficient transportation and logistics ensure timely delivery to markets around the world, meeting the demands of diverse industries and consumers. Making sugar affects the environment and society. Farmers are using better methods to reduce harm, like saving water and managing waste. They're also treating workers fairly, and involving local communities. These efforts are changing how sugar is made and used, making it more responsible. Sugar goes through many steps from growing to packaging. Understanding this process helps us make better food choices and appreciate the work behind it. If you liked learning about sugar, please share, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.